How can you fix Instagram collaboration problem in less than 1 minute? Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So the first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. As you can see right here, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. All what you have to do is choose Instagram like this, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all the notifications right here from the first one to the last one, and then go back, click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions on your app, and then go to the data usage and make sure that your mobile data is enabled and the Wi-Fi also. Then go back. Now the last step you have to do is click here on this force stop, and then go to the app details and make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then click here on update. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.